Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a HUAWEI P50 Pro. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find this screen recorder button. If you don't have this button here, click here onto pencil and click Edit Switches. And find this button in this block and then press and hold like here and drag to top for edit this button. And for saving, click Done. And now, when you got this button here, press this button and our screen recorder is started. So choose, for example, another sound settings option, you click here, for example, to unmute microphone and your screen recorder with microphone sound or mute. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.